Very good morning, class 4th. Today on 12th Jan 21, Tuesday, we will continue revising our chapter number 14, which is about geometry. Chapter 14 is about geometry. In this chapter 14, yesterday we have discussed about angles, right? About type of angles, how many types of angles are there, acute angle, right angle, obtuse and straight angle. After that, we have discussed about 2D shapes, which are 2D, which has two dimensions, that is length and width. For topic that we have discussed in yesterday's video, that is 3D. Again 3D means 3 dimensions. Means the shapes, the solid shape which has 3 dimensions, that is length, breadth and height, are known as 3D shapes. Right? So about these we have discussed yesterday, and one more topic that we discussed, that is circle. About circle we have discussed what is radius, what is diameter. Now we will continue our topic, that is circle. What do you mean by circle? Circle is a shape which is in circular form. Like you can see, the only cap part, this is in the shape of circle. Circular shape में है, this is known as circle. And any shape which is in circular way. Circular means circle type, right? Like this. Best examples are ring, wheels and tire of your bike, car, cycle, scooty, any type of wheels. They are in the shape of circle, right? Now in circle, what come here, that how you will draw the circle that is of equal length from all sides. Like here I draw freehandly, but it is not proper circle. As you can see, it is not the proper circle. So for the circle, to draw the circle properly, we use compass. What we use, beta? Compass. Compass is an instrument which has two movable arms, right? Two movable arms. One of the arm has sharp edge, and one side you can put inside the pencil. That we have discussed about, right? So in compass, how much wider the gap between both the hand of the compass, the bigger the circle will create, right? Higher the gap between arms of compass, wider the circle you can draw. Wider the circle you can draw. Clear? जितना आपके कंपास की आर्म्स में गैप होगा, उतना ही आप बिग सर्कल ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. What you have to keep in that is wherever you put the arm needle, on which arm one side needle is there of compass, wherever you will put that needle, don't move that from. वहाँ से आपको उसको मूव नहीं करना. You have to just rotate like this one, as my hand you have to make that on the same space. Only then your circle can be drawn properly. Clear? Now, after this, the next point that come in this is about radius. What is radius? Radius is the length that you taken this needle to pencil. जो आपका निडल और पेंसिल के बीच में कंपास में गैप होगा, that will become the radius of the circle. And radius we will represent with r. Radius हम किसके साथ represent करते हैं? r के साथ. Clear? The gap between arm and pencil side of the compass, that will become the radius of your circle. And the radius is the line segment. Radius is the line segment which joins center and the point on the circle. What is radius? Radius is a line segment which joins center and the point on the circle. See here, this is the circle. This will be the center where needle of the compass we put. Joining the center, this will be the center, and if I put a point here, the line which joins the center and the point on the circle, that is known as radius. Right? So, one more point, that is there can be infinite number of radius. Many can be there, बेटा. कितने भी हो सकते हैं आपके radius, because radius is what? Just the line which join center at any point on the circle. ये सब क्या है? Radius. Right? Next that comes is diameter. What is diameter? Diameter we will represent with D. Diameter is the line segment. See, I use here word line segment. Line segment means which has fixed length. The line which has fixed length. So, line segment which joins two point on circle by passing through center. Right? What is diameter? The line segment which join two points on the circle and the main point, that is passing through the center, जो center से pass हो. Like here a point A and here is the point B and this O is the center. So when I join these two points with the help of by the center, जो center से pass हो, that is AB. Right? Like this, here is P and here is Q. If I join this, then this PQ will become the diameter. क्या होगा ये PQ? Diameter. Because ये two points को join कर रही है and the main point in this is that it passes through the center. ये center से pass हो रही है, right? So here PQ is also the diameter. Now we will discuss here the relation between radius and diameter. What is the relation between these? See, radius represented by R, diameter represented by D. We will take one diameter AB. So as I told you, point to circle, that is radius. So here is again I can write R. So AO plus OB, AO and OB क्या बना रहे हैं आपके? कंप्लीट AB, and AB is diameter. AB क्या है? Diameter. OA, AO, that is radius because point joining with center, plus again OB is the radius. So radius plus radius, 2 radius. It means what is diameter? Diameter is twice of the radius. What is diameter beta? Diameter is twice of the radius. Clear this part? Now same with the relation, if you have to find the radius and diameter is given, take down this 2. यहाँ पे multiply में था, it will come here in division, and radius equals to half of diameter. If anyone asks you the relation between radius and diameter, so first relation, either you will say that diameter is twice of radius, or you can say the radius is half of diameter. Both are correct. Clear? After this, the next point that is in the circle is chord. The next point that is chord. Chord is the line segment with joining 2 points on the circle. Chord, the line segment which joins 2 points on the circle. Here the main point that is you have to remember is chord will not pass through the center. Only diameter passes through the center. Chord is not passing through the center. Like here, ST. This is known as chord. See, I am here mentioned that AB, ST, and here you can say OA, OB, OP, OQ, all are radius. So chord is the line segment which joins 2 points on the circle. Right, beta? So here we have discussed 3 lines, 3 topics in the circle. That is first one, radius. The line segment which joins center and the point on the circle. And learn it also that there can be infinite number of radius. Next, that is diameter. Diameter we will represent by D, small d. So what is diameter? It is a line segment which joins 2 points on the circle by passing through the center. Means here the main point that is center. It should be diameter must be passes through center. Next, that is chord. The chord is also a type of line segment which joins 2 points on the circle. 2 points on the circle, but in this one condition is given, and that is that it should not be passes through the center. Means कोड के लिए जो कंडीशन है बेटा, दैट इज फिक्स, इट शुड नॉट passes through the center. If you want, you can mention it. It is not passing through center. क्लियर? कोड जो है वो आपकी सर्कल पे कहीं पर भी लाइन हो सकती है, बट सिर्फ वो लाइन जो है वो सेंटर से पास नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर वो आपको लाइन सेंटर से पास होती है, देन इट बिकम्स द डायमीटर, नॉट द chord. And by this you can learn also that the longest chord of the circle is longest chord, that is known as its diameter. longest chord क्या हो जाएगी आपकी? diameter. Okay. The next point come in this, that is circumference. Circumference. What is circumference? Like in square, rectangles, we have discussed about perimeter. Square, rectangle में हमने डिस्कस किया था perimeter. And what is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all side of boundaries only. Perimeter is what? Just the sum of these boundaries, right? 2D शेप्स में जो डिस्कस किया था दैट इज पैरामीटर. एरिया डिफरेंट थिंग है बेटा, एरिया आपका सर्कल का भी फाइंड होता है. यहाँ पे जो सर्कमफेरेंस वर्ड यूज हुआ है दैट इज रिलेटेड विथ पैरामीटर इन 2D शेप्स. जैसे हम पैरामीटर फाइंड करते थे, पैरामीटर इज ऑल्सो द लेंथ ऑफ ऑल द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ द स्क्वायर. सो हेयर द सर्कमफेरेंस इज, what is circumference? Length of boundary of circle. Boundary of circle. Like parameter of square, rectangle. Same like that. Circle में क्या आ गया आपका? Circumference. In circle what comes? Circumference. The length of boundary of a circle is known as circumference. Means इसकी जो boundaries हैं just इनका total, इनकी length only, that is come circumference. अगर आप complete find करते हो then complete will be the area of the circle. Complete if we have to find, then that becomes the area of the circle, right? So in 2D shapes that is parameter, and in circle that is circumference. So what is circumference beta? Circumference is length of boundary of the circle. Next that comes in the same, that is arc. What is arc? This all we are discussing about circle, and very important topic this is. What is arc? Arc is the part of a circumference. Arc is the part of circumference. Like see, this is a circle. What is circumference? Sum of its boundaries. If I mark one point A here and one point B, then the part of the circle between these points, this one, that is known as arc of the circle. What is arc of the circle? And same like the radius, a circle has uncountable number of arcs. आप इस गैप को इंक्रीज भी कर सकते हो, डिक्रीज भी कर सकते हो, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. सो व्हाट इज आर्क? आर्क, द पार्ट ऑफ अ circumference between 2 points is known as arc. Clear? So this is all about the circle. If anyone gave you that the radius, or you can say here the length of this PQ equals to 8 centimeter. Find PO and OQ. So देखो PQ what becomes? It's become the diameter, right? PQ is complete diameter because it passes through the center O. So that we know that diameter is equals to 8 centimeter. We have to find OP and OQ. So beta OP is what? Radius, and OQ is also radius. So with the radius, when we find the radius, relation is that radius equals to half of diameter. So 8 by 2, that is 4 centimeter. So in this, OP is 4 centimeter and OQ is 4 centimeter. Clear? So if anyone gives the diameter, you can find the radius, and if anyone gives the radius of the circle, you can find the diameter, because diameter is twice of radius. You have to just multiply with 2. Next topic in the circle, that is semicircle. Semicircle. As semi word use, it means half of the circle. Semicircle means half of the circle. Like here, have you ever noticed that this D, when I write this is the diameter. If I will write it like this, I will make a circle of this, and this will be the center, and I draw the diameter. Then half of this will become D, right? हाफ क्या बन गया आपका? D. और ये हाफ कैसे हुआ बेटा? विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायमीटर. With the help of diameter, because here I draw the diameter, right? So semicircle is drawn with the help of diameter. Clear, students? So this is about our circle parts. After that, about net of the shapes, net of solid shapes, and symmetry. What is symmetry? How it be? These two topics we will discuss in our next lecture, and for today's our topic is finished. If anyone has any query in this circle part, you can comment and you can ask. We have discussed here all the parts of the circle: radius, diameter, chord, circumference, arc, and how you find the radius and the diameter. And one more point, that is semicircle, which is half of the circle. And आप circle को half किसकी help से करेंगे? With the help of diameter. Because diameter क्या करता है? आपके circle को 2 equal parts में divide करता है. Diameter divides the circle into 2 equal parts. Clear बेटा? So with the help of diameter, you can draw the semicircle, right? And after this, we will discuss that how you will draw the net of solid shapes, means 3D shapes, cube, cuboid, how you will draw, and what is symmetry. We will discuss all these topics in our next class. If still anyone have any problem, not understand diameter, circumference, you can comment and you can ask. And today is only about circle.